Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what, just keep going. I already told you guys that I had some new videos coming out. I am going to do a hair update as soon as I take these braids out. Right now I did the braids by myself. It took about 12 hours of actual work time. And I say actual work time because breaks happen. I'm sorry. But I had some tips for you that helped me get through the process. I have tried this a couple times. I think out of 5 times I've tried it, I've succeeded 3. So I just wanted to share how to make things easier if you're going to try to do this process by yourself. My first tip was that make sure you have time. I've always tried to do it in a rush scenario. You know, I have a event at 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna wake up at 6 o'clock and try to be done by noon, and relatively it stresses me out, gives me anxiety, and I never completely finish. I have a whole panic attack and a whole ordeal, and it never works out. So make sure you have enough time, and don't be scared to take breaks. Don't be scared to actually take your time with it, because you do want it to look good. And also with time, I didn't really have assistance with parting. I just kind of went with it, and that's it. I did it all myself. I didn't have anyone to part my hair for me in the back. I just kind of felt the sections. I could feel if they were too big or too small, and I just went by that all the way around my head. My next tip would be, make sure it helped a lot that I was organized. The other times that I tried to do it, I just kind of had the hair lay around. For each braid, I'm sectioning my hair for that braid at that time. And you know, when you're sectioning your hair, you get caught up in the TV, you get caught doing stuff, you check your phone, you put the hair down. It takes a lot more time the less organized that you are. So I would say make sure that you get organized, have a place for your hair to lay out. It really helped me separating the pieces before I actually needed them, so when I was to the next braid, I just already had my hair to just go in and twist it. I would have did a tutorial, but I feel like there's a lot of braid tutorials out there, and that I didn't really need to show you how to do that. I felt like a lot of people have accomplished that. That's how I learned how to do it, so I didn't feel it necessary for me to actually break it down for you. I'm sorry. Next time I do it, if you want me to, I will, but just let me know in the comments below. My third tip. What was my third tip? Be organized. Take your time. The biggest tip, I don't even know how I forgot this. I have super massively thick hair, and a lot of times when I was trying to do the braids, I just got kind of discouraged, and in the fact that I had so much hair and I didn't really part my hair. I just tried to like put it up and part it, but this time I actually I separated my hair in 4s, and then I did each quarter like that, and it really helped me get through it without like just skipping around my head, because normally I would just kind of just do a piece here, do a piece here, do some up here, do some back there, and it really didn't work for me like that. I needed to kind of it was very overwhelming, to say the least, and it made me panic. Sorry, I use the word anxiety a lot, but if you ask my mom, I've literally had like an anxiety attack with like 3/4 of my head done, probably like 20 braids left, and I'm like, I'm about to take it down right now because I cannot. So I'm really just trying to help you guys learn from my mistakes. Because when you have thin hair or thinner hair, it is a lot easier. But when you have a lot of hair, it's a lot all the time. Like literally I can part this section and it's still like a whole head to do. So that was the last thing that really just helped me be able to complete my braids. I would definitely recommend, I mean, if you can have assistance and you can have someone part your hair, definitely go for it. The bag of hair that I got, it was called Q. I don't know, it was a 3-pack bundle. And I got 2 3-packs. So I used, and then they were very long, so I did cut them in half. And that's all the hair that I needed. I actually had a little bit left over because, well, I'd rather have too much because last time I tried I ran out of hair. It was Thanksgiving. I didn't know what I had to do for the rest of the day, and I didn't even know if the place was open. Panic attack. Oh, one more thing. I know it says 3 tips. Sorry. Bonus tip. Woo. When the first times I braided my hair, I used the sticky beeswax. That's kind of like really thick and kind of used for locks. This time I'll try to insert a picture because I used all of it when I did my hair. But it's really like a creamy consistency that really helped moisturize my hair so it locked into the braids better, and that I didn't have too many hairs sticking out like I did the first couple of times I did it. So it really helped me seal in my hair and get that going very good. So those are the tips that I have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like. If I missed anything or if you have any questions about what I did, like I said, I'll try to insert the beeswax that I specifically use, because it is still beeswax brand. It's just the creamier one. It's not the really sticky, thick, doesn't even move when you spread it. And my hair really loved it. I actually want to get it again so I could try it on a twist out, because I don't do twist outs, but I really want to try. Most of the time my hair pattern comes out really weird when I do twist outs. So if you have any tips or suggestions that you have for your twist outs, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll have a lot of story times coming up. I probably won't do too much of hair related. I will have some hair related stuff, but I generally don't do too much to my hair. I normally just try to let it grow out and do its thing and grow, and I'm just really trying to get it to grow. I'm not really trying to manipulate it too much. But if you do have tips or hints, or you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment box. I'd love to hear it, and I definitely will respond to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.